रिया रिया हाय चलो चलें यू नॉट इवन रेडी येट शाम को बैडमिंटन टूर्नामेंट है ना
दी
तो अभी चल के प्रैक्टिस कर लेते हैं कम ऑन
दी।
फटाफट
Sorry, Di. I can't go for the tournament.
सडनली क्या हुआ व्हाई यू सेइंग दिस
Actually, वो
हाँ खुल के बता क्या हुआ
कैसे participate करूँ? वो You know ना दी, it's those days.
रिया you're going to give up such an important tournament because of those days इतनी practice इतनी तैयारी you'll give up everything come and what those days periods हैं punishment नहीं something as basic as this should not stop you in life चलो बैठो now tell me do you know periods होते क्या हैं और आते क्यों हैं
No, Di. Only that it comes every month and all work stops.
Riya, periods or menstruation is a very simple biological process that every girl goes through during a phase called puberty, जो कि तुम्हारी एज है, right? इसमें डरने की कोई बात नहीं है. In fact, it's the menstruation process that turns every little girl like you into a healthy woman.
Like you?
Yes, and it's absolutely normal and important.
पर दी periods every month क्यों आ जाते हैं? और ये menstruation क्या है?
Menstruation. But good question. Menstrual cycle is the time between the first day of the first period to the first day of the next one. Between 21 to 35 days ये कभी भी आ सकते हैं. और अगर कभी आगे पीछे हो तो डरने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं. They're irregular at the beginning, but they settle down after some time. Regular menstrual cycle is a sign that important parts of your body are healthy. Periods can start from any age between 9 to 16 years and can last for 3 to 7 days every month. इसीलिए तुम्हारी एज की लड़कियों को पीरियड्स आना एकदम नेचुरल है.
Di, what happens when we get our periods?
Wait, let me show you. One second. See, physical changes होते हैं like filling up of hips and breasts, hair growth in certain parts of the body, and occasional white discharge, etc. अरे, it's absolutely normal. Don't worry.
I lose so much blood during my periods. Isn't that scary?
Not at all. You know why? The amount of blood we lose during a normal monthly period is around 80 milliliters. 4 tablespoon के बराबर. And your body even makes up for it pretty quickly.
Di, पता है आपको? First time when periods started, I was very scared. When I'd gone to the bathroom and I saw blood stains on my panty, I thought that I've hurt myself or I had a problem.
Yes, you're right. You know, पहले बहुत डर लगता है. मेरा तो रोना ही निकल गया था. That's why it's important to understand what it is. Let me show you what happens. पेन और पेपर कहाँ है?
वहाँ study table पर.
Okay, चलो. Priya, between our hips there's an important organ called uterus. Right here. इस पे एक लाइनिंग होती है जो हर महीने ब्लड फिल्ड टिश्यू से थिक होती रहती है. You will not understand its importance now. जब तुम बड़ी होगी, तुम्हारी शादी होगी और बच्चे होंगे, तब यही लाइनिंग बेबी को नरिश और सपोर्ट करेगी. बट व्हेन अ वुमन इज नॉट प्रेग्नेंट तो इसकी कोई ज़रूरत नहीं. दैट्स व्हाई इट फ्लोज आउट ऑफ द बॉडी थ्रू अ पैसेज वे कॉल्ड वजाइना. इसमें 2 ओपनिंग्स होती हैं. एक में से बाथरूम निकलता है और दूसरे में से मेंस्ट्रुअल ब्लड. मेंस्ट्रुअल साइकिल प्रोवाइड्स इंपॉर्टेंट बॉडी केमिकल्स कॉल्ड हार्मोन्स टू कीप अस हेल्दी. हाँ, क्या समझा?
हाँ, समझी कि हर महीने बॉडी टैप खोलती और बंद करती है. अभी आई अंडरस्टूड. बॉयज़ के पास यूट्रस नहीं होता, इसलिए उन्हें पीरियड्स नहीं होते ना.
रिया, स्टॉप इट.
पर दी, पीरियड्स में खेलो कैसे? फॉरगेट खेलना. आई एम इवन स्कैर्ड टू मूव. इट्स सो अनकम्फर्टेबल. व्हेन आई मूव, पैड ऑल्सो मूव्स. एवरी 2 hours आई रन टू द बाथरूम. बार बार चेक करना पड़ता है. वॉट इफ देयर इज अ स्टेन ऑन माई स्कर्ट?
तो ये बात है. कोई बात नहीं, तेरा पैड देखना पड़ेगा. Quickly go and get it.
I'll just get it, Di.
Okay. So this is the problem. Riya, it's very important to use the right kind of sanitary pad. Wait. See? This is the pad I use. See how neatly folded it is? Open the wrap. Remove the strip. And then place it. Your pad is unable to absorb. Most ordinary pads can't give you good protection, but my Ultra Gel pad absorbs very well. Inside this pad, there are thousands of gel particles, which turn your menstrual blood into gel. It turns solid, so no leak, no stain. पर ये देखो, ordinary pad doesn't have any gel inside. See? ये कितना thin है? So thin that you don't feel any discomfort. And you can wear whatever you want. Your pad is so thick, you constantly feel it, no? Also see how long it is? Much longer than ordinary pads. And it absorbs much more, ensuring that there are lesser chances of leaks and stains. That's why I don't have to rush back home to change my pads, you know? And my period days, they're just like any other day. And what's more? See, there's a special pad available. It's for sensitive skin. The top sheet is so soft, that means no irritation or itching. That means pura din comfort and no rashes.
Wow, Di. This pad makes all your period days so easy. Tension ही नहीं है. But how often do I need to change it?
Usually changing a pad depends on the flow. But the doctor's advice, you should change it every 6 hours. Always carry an extra pad to school. You can also keep a cute pouch. It's very important to know how to throw a used pad. This sanitary pad comes with a self wrap. In the self wrap, used pad को roll करो, wrap करो, stick करो, and then dustbin में
Throw करो.
Yes! Do not throw it in the toilet as it may clog the pipes. Finally, you can wash your hands with soap and water. Maintaining cleanliness and hygiene is most important during periods. और कुछ?
Last question, Di. I feel very tired during periods. Is that natural? कभी कभी तो severe cramps भी आते हैं.
Well, cramps, bloating or fatigue periods में एकदम normal है. बस healthy खाना like fruits and vegetables खाओ. Drink lots of water. Right here. But no colas, okay? Also, for severe cramps, you can do some light exercises. Watch. Like this. A hot water bath or a warm bottle may help reduce the pain and make you feel better. One more thing. When our dadis and nanis say that during periods, only aaram, no entering kitchen or touching the pickle, these are all myths. In fact, it's just like any other day. Tell you a secret? I have my periods today. Did you realize?
What? Really?
Yes. See, it is so normal. Now get set and pack your kit. We're already running late. और अगर तेरी favorite player ने periods के डर से अपने important tournaments छोड़ दिए होते, she wouldn't be the Saina Nehwal she is today. Right? So don't let your periods stop you from achieving. Focus on your goal, not your skirt. So now go change. Take this pad, Riya.
Okay, Di. I'll quickly go and change. Di, I'll get the trophy. I will win. Nothing can stop me.
Give me a high five. Let's go. Periods are natural, normal, necessary.
9 से लेके 16 की एज में स्टार्ट होते कभी भी।
लाइट एक्सरसाइजेस, प्रॉपर खाना, क्रैम्प्स को भगाना।
सैनिटरी पैड वो है बेस्ट जो है लंबा विद मैजिक जेल।
सुबह एंड शाम चेंज योर पैड, सोप एंड वाटर से वॉश योर हैंड्स।
When you dispose it, roll it, wrap it, stick it and then dustbin में throw it.
And for more information, log on to www.rewardme.in.